Now बच्चे have a look on illustration number 18. There are two partners, Rahim and Sudesh. The two partners of the business and agreed to appropriate the profits of the firm on the following terms. They are having following terms. Interest is payable on capital 5%. Rahim will entitled a salary of 500 per month. Means for these two things we have to prepare just appropriation account. Interest on loan to be given by the firm to the partners at the rate 10% per annum. Means interest will be given 10% per annum on loan. If there is any loan and we have to give loan interest, then for that we have to prepare profit and loss account. Interest on drawing to be charged from the partners at the rate 5% per annum. Interest on drawing, if we will be charging, we will be charging it 5% per annum. Sudesh will get a commission of 1% of sales made during the year. Whatever will be the sales, 1% commission will be given to Sudesh. Rahim is entitled to a rent of 25,000 per annum for allowing the firm to carry on the business in his premises. Means there are two things for which we have to prepare profit and loss account: interest on loan and rent to a partner. Means Rahim's rent will be pending. The net profit of the year was 1,80,000. The net profit of the year was 1,80,000. Capitals, opening capital was 150 and 140. Both capitals are given. Loan advances. Only Sudesh have advanced loan to the firm for rupees 1 lakh, and that is due on 1st October. It is invested given loan that is on 1st October. Means 6 months interest will be given to the partner Sudesh. 1 lakh, 10% of 1 lakh and for 6 months only. And drawings are given 40,000 and 30,000. During the year 2016-17, the sales of the firm was 7 lakh. You just need these sales for calculating the commission, not for anything else. Now what we have to prepare: profit and loss appropriation, partners capital and rent payable account. Before profit and loss appropriation, we have to prepare profit and loss account. Since it is not given in the question, but you have to prepare for two things: interest on loan and rent to a partner Rahim. Per annum 25,000 rent was there. So for two things we will prepare profit and loss account. The profit of the year was 1,80,000. The profit of the year was 1,80,000. And now we have to give two things. 25,000 rent we have already given in the question, as it is we will write here. And now interest on loan. 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000 and 6 months will be 5,000. 10% interest on loan is allowed on a loan amount of rupees 1 lakh. That means 10,000, and October to March for 6 months it will be allowed only 5,000. So out of this 180 profit we will be deducting 30,000. So we are having net profit 1,50,000 to be divided among the partners. So out of this 180 we have deducted 30,000 as interest on loan and rent to a partner. So 150 we are having. So we will distribute this 150 here. One thing we will write on credit side, and that is interest on drawings. Out of 180 we deducted 30, and now 150 we have to distribute among the partners. Interest on drawings. Since drawings are given 40 and 30 and interest on drawing is given 5%, but it will also charge for only 6 months. Why? Because there is a rule: if date of drawing is not given, then on an average we charge interest on drawing at the rate 6 months, on an average rate of 6 months. So Rahim's interest on drawing will be 1,000 and Sudesh's interest on drawing will be 750. Total will be 151750. Only profit we have taken from appropriation and 6 months interest on drawing. Drawing was 40,000, 5% becomes 2,000, and for 6 months it is 1,000. Drawings were 30,000, 5% 1,500, and 6 months 750. Now we have to distribute this 151750 among the partners. What we have to give? It is given only in the question that you have to give interest on capital 5% and salary to Rahim. So interest on capital 5% to interest on capital 5%. Rahim's capital 7,500 it will be, and Sudesh's capital will be 7,000. 5% of their capitals. Now salary to Rahim, it was 6,000. Means it was given 500 per month. 500 per month into 12. Whole year salary will be 6,000. The only thing left is commission. Commission to Sudesh. And that was 1% of 7 lakh. Sales was 7 lakh and 1% of sale is 7,000 only. Only 3 things are allowed because it is given in the question. You may have a look. Interest on capital 5% and Rahim's salary 500 per month. It will be multiplied with 12, and Sudesh will get 1% commission on sale, and sales was 7 lakh. So 3 things are only allowed. Interest on capital to both the partners, salary and commission. From this side total of credit side, we will deduct now the total of debit side. The remaining profit will be 124250. It will be divided among Rahim and Sudesh in their agreed profit sharing ratio, and since no ratio was given in the whole question, so it will be divided equally. Always remember, if there is no ratio given in the question, it will be divided equally among the partners. Now we have to prepare partners' capital account. On debit side, we record only 2 things: drawings 40,000 and 30,000. Then interest on drawings. From here we will take 1,000 and 750. And here this side we will write by balance brought down the opening capitals of the partners: 1,50,000 and 1,40,000. This was given. Now all these items will be recorded here. Whatever they have earned, it will be added in their capitals. 7,500, 7,000, salary 6,000 only to Rahim it was allowed, it was not allowed to Sudesh, and commission was only allowed to Sudesh and it was not allowed to Rahim, that was 7,000. And remaining profit is always known as profit and loss appropriation account, that is 62125, 62125. Now add up all the credit sides. It will be 225, 625, 216, 125. And from these credit totals, we will deduct the drawings and interest on drawings. Now we will be getting balance carried down. Balance CD we will be getting from deducting. After deducting, it will be 184625. After deducting these 2 items from the total of credit side, that was itna, so we will be getting balance CD. And from the total of credit side of Sudesh's capital, we will be deducting drawing and interest on drawing. We will be getting this balance CD. So this was your 18th illustration. One more thing was there. We have to prepare rent account also. And in rent account, we will only show by profit and loss account 25,000 and to balance CD 25,000. Means whatever we are paying, that will be recorded in profit and loss account. Since we have recorded it in profit and loss account, it will be recorded only as profit and loss account. The ledger posting of rent is profit and loss, rent to, or rent account we will write by profit and loss account, and on debit side we will record on the to balance CD. So this was whole 18th question. In this question we have prepared profit and loss account just because of two things: interest on loan and rent to a partner. And profit and loss appropriation we have prepared for three things: interest on capital, salary and commission. And afterwards profit we have distributed equally because no ratio was given in the question. And this was your partner's capital account. Thank you.